don't play it safe. What is going on, everybody? Another video.
Yeah, back with another subscriber series. Last one did really well, so many good comments with ideas, and we found one that people have been commenting for a while. Yeah. And there's a couple of different ways to do it.
So the challenge today is the woodwork challenge. We've seen many other YouTubers take it on. It's quite fun. We've never actually thought about doing it. Looking through the comments, we've seen it a couple of times. First up by Sammy Streams, thanks for the comment, bro.
Yeah, and Remy also commented this one as well. So a couple of people have said this. There are different ways of doing it. I've seen people do it different ways. How are we going to go about doing a woodwork challenge where we're going to go head to head?
We're going to go head to head. We're going to start at the penalty spot. We're just going to go post, either post and then a crossbar. So you can go in any order you want, but we're going to alternate. So if I go, you can then go. So we're going to switch it around.
So you've got to hit 2 posts and a crossbar, obviously. First one to do it is the winner. So obviously 3 shots is the best score you can get.
3 shots is unbelievable score. I'm not sure I've quite seen that on YouTube yet. So if one of us can do that, unbelievable. But I'm going to set myself a target. We've got 3 targets to get, 2 posts and a crossbar. 2 on each target. I'm going to set the bar at 6.
I'll be happy with 6. I'm going to say 5. I just think 5 would be a really good score.
Yeah.
So we've set ourselves targets. Why don't we set them a target for a number of likes?
Let's set them a target for a number of likes. Alright then. 3, 2, 1. 220.
Oh. So we're at 212. 212, 213.
Let's go for 215 likes.
Yeah? Yeah. That would be incredible.
That would be amazing, guys. So smash the thumbs up button right now. Build some likes up on this video. And let's get to it, mate. I'm ready to take on the challenge, so
let's jump straight into it.
Let's go.
Alright, we are ready to go. We've done a warm-up, ready for our woodwork challenge, but we need to decide who's going to go first.
To decide who's going to go first, we're going to have a one-touch challenge, sort of like a little bit of tennis. So, winner gets to decide.
Come on then.
Alright, let's see who goes first, right?
Yeah.
What's on? That wasn't fair, right?
When you hit it at your chest, you got to try and get it one touch back at the belly. Alright, so you won. So you going first or second?
Yeah, I'm going to go first today.
Yeah? Alright.
Like we said, we're going to alternate. So obviously if I miss, Jesse hits it, he's going to be in the lead. So it is a little bit of competition there, as always. I'm going to start with the crossbar.
Crossbar?
Yeah, start with the crossbar. Get it out of the way. And I'm going to use the same ball. Ooh, starting on the post.
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
I'm going to work my way round.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, post, crossbar, post.
Alright, so I've got to attack them two now.
So which one you go for?
I'm going to go for the same one as
that same post. Going to keep the momentum.
Alright, let's just say the only time we've done this is the Chris MD challenge.
Yes.
Link up here, Chris MD challenge. This is the only time we've actually done this sort of thing, trying to hit the woodwork. Yeah. Very different, very YouTube like.
Very YouTube. Yeah. Very YouTube.
Alright, so we're 1 for 1. 1 for 1, 1 for 1. So I'm on target for my 6. Obviously.
It's a great penalty. Sometimes I don't know what to say when you do something like that. It's like
habits, I think.
Yeah, it's like.
But I would take a penalty there.
But that's not what you're aiming for, is it though? You're aiming for the post.
But if you look at it from here, the angle is like that.
Yeah,
so I missed it by about this.
Alright, so I'm on crossbario.
Oh no. Starting low.
Way too low.
Oh no!
Tell you what, the crossbar is actually my least favourite of all 3. I like hitting the post, but the crossbar I don't really like.
That's 2 in the side netted, well the first one won't.
There's a hole in the penalty spot, which doesn't help.
I know, I hate this penalty spot.
It's literally the worst penalty spot I've ever seen. Right, stitch up central.
Crossbar it is, I think. Well, you said you're going round right to left.
Exactly what I did last time.
Was it? Yeah.
I just hit it right along the floor basically.
Is that because there's a divot in the penalty spot? The ball is sitting low, unless you put it to the side, it does drop in. But even on the side, it has a little dip.
We know.
What did Nate used to do? Come at me, Nate Diaz.
You're 2 for 4 now.
2 for 4.
Which means you're perfully on for your target.
That's like
you
marathon pace. I'm on pace, aren't I?
Yeah.
20 miles in and I'm still hitting the 6.5 minutes.
Alright, well I need to hit this crossbar. First of all I need to try and get the ball. My ball just went there. Yeah, you go get your ball. I need to try and get the ball off the floor because the last 2 I've tried to hit the crossbar, they've both been so low. One of them days, I think.
That crossbar is haunting you, mate.
I said before I've hit too low.
The crossbar challenge.
I said I've hit 2 so low. I'm on 1 for 5 now.
No.
3. How many? 3 attempts.
3 at the crossbar.
1 for 4.
1 for 4. I'm 2 for 4. You wanted 5. We don't play it safe. Hey! Hey, no more level on that ball anymore. I told you I weren't playing it safe, mate.
To be fair. Alright, if I hit the crossbar, I win.
You
Agreed?
win?
Agreed?
Well, if you hit the crossbar.
Without looking.
He gets the win. Oh! No! No way, Jose! How did I lose that, man? Why did I even agree?
No, to be I kind of
and the backflip. Yeah, go on, mate.
I kind of feel bad. He won fair and I only hit 1 out of 4.
Mate, you took the absolute liberty with doing a backflip.
I can't hit the crossbar from the penalty spot, but I can hit it without looking over my head.
That's a 1 in 10.
Hey, no, fair enough.
1 in 10.
Okay, you got the win. You got the win.
Nah.
I'll take the bonus round win.
In the words of Jimmy Bullard, football's the winner.
Alright, thank you for watching this video. As always, we appreciate your support and we're absolutely loving you guys, so thank you a lot.
Yeah, again, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and let's build, what, 215 likes, I believe it was. 215.
Yeah.
Also, drop a comment in the box below, and we're always ready to take on these challenges. They're really fun, easy to do. Yeah. Well, not easy for Jesse. And
well, just like Remy and Sammy did. Dropped a comment and now we're doing their challenge. So come up with your own if you can. Anything around the box is perfect.
Yeah, anything around the box. Be creative with it, and we'll see you in the next one.